So Pakistan, the World Cup in 1990, Australia-Pakistan, history was a Makna Wakayana, one of the best bowling sides cycling Mushtaq, Ijaz Ahmed, Inzamam al-Haq. This is player. This is a new coach. I think so really is the Pakistani batting, Fakhar Zaman, it's good batsman. The under pressure team in Asia Cup. And the no situation 2020 World Cup, England, there's some of the great in the 6 matches. The Pakistan coach very important, feeling. Mithya said many tension coach in Pakistan. Yes, northern Pakistan coach, Mohsin Khan, a big coach, Pakistan country, and the Zair Bass, feeling coach. Yunus Khan, one of the best in 10,000 run test matches, race game, 3,400, big player. The Pakistan Asia condition coach, an English coach, Pakistani training, pressure, building a momentum, team and media, the situation marketing side. Pakistan. The new system coach, I think it's a grand floor, much better pressure coach.